I know you've all heard of thumbprint cookies. Well, today we're going to make a savory cheese and jalapeno jelly thumbprint. To get started, we're going to add 1 egg yolk, that's from a large egg, to our food processor. We're going to put in 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and I have grated an entire block, 8 ounces of a white sharp cheddar, and we're going to put that in. And we're going to put in 1/3 of softened butter, 1/3 cup of softened butter. And we're going to mix that. I got to tell you a little secret. I put the wrong blade in. I had to take it out. And as you can see, it makes sort of a soft dough. And to that now, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. One-4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to blend that again. You can see that it has picked up all of that and has pretty well mixed that. Now, it's not as rounded and butter shaped like it was before. It's more crumbly. And with this, we're going to let this set for 5 minutes at room temperature. And while we're letting it set, I am heating some pecans over here. I'm beginning to I want them to be toasty. I'm kind of toasting the pecans. There's 1 cup of chopped pecans in this pan, and I'm just heating it on the top to roast them. Okay, you can see this is set for 5 minutes, and it looks crumbly. It's absorbed what moisture is in there with flour. I'm going to take a teaspoon and get, about enough to make a 1-inch round ball. Kind of squeeze that together, just like you would the cookies. Make your ball. And then we're going to roll it in those nuts over there. Kind of press it down so that so they get in there. And then we're going to place it on an ungreased cookie sheet. And like with the cookie, press your thumb down in there. Make a little thumb indent. And now we're going to finish up the rest of those. Okay, I'm doing the last one here. Now this is supposed to make about 12 cookies. It looks like I've got 13 here and this little bitty tiny one here. And I'll give it to Michael. So instead of a thumbprint, it's just going to get a little indentation. There we go, that's for Michael. Now I'm going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for 15 minutes. Okay, it has been 15 minutes. We're going to take those out. They smell really good. And we need to work fast for this. I've got a small teaspoon here, and I'm going to take, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, put that down in there, kind of push it into that little indentation. Okay, we've got all of these filled with jelly. And now we're going to move these over onto a wire rack and let them finish cooling. And they hold together really nice. If you like these recipes, please give us a like. Thank you for watching.